Hi, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to customize Quick Launch on this device. So now by double press the power key, we can see that the camera application is activated, and if you want to change this option, for example to use Google Assistant by double press the power key, we should first open Settings application and then scroll to the System section. After that, click here to the gestures and tap to double press power key and switch launch camera to launch assistant. And now by double press the power key, we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.